Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm gonna give you an overview of this, I would call it a two-seater or love seat that folds out into a twin bed, and how you can get it delivered to you and put it together yourself, and some very close measurements that this company right here provided me. But in no way whatsoever this be provided me affect this review, because I am just here to keep it real. All right, so this is what the couch love seat looks like when it's fully assembled. And note, the very cool LED light effect that is underneath that actually can be changed in a variety of different colors. It can be a strobe effect, or it can be pulsating like this. Brightness can be up or down, or it can just be turned off. It's all controlled with a wireless remote. Now, I believe these come in a variety of different colors. This just so happens to be a gray color. Kind of give you a up close look of the material. It is extremely soft. I would say, I was very surprised. It is a very soft, I'm not sure what it's made out of. It's definitely a soft material. I mean, surprisingly soft. And it has a sort of a rib effect, sort of a modern-esque type look, but very nice. And these are sturdy, so they're cushiony enough to where, you know, it's not too hard, but it's definitely a firm here on the edges. And cool part is that it comes with these cup holders, and it comes with a built-in dual USB port right here. So if you're gaming, or if you are needing your phone charged, or whatever it is, you have that at the convenience. The lights here are all connected to the same power source that goes right back here in the back. All right, at 64 inches left to right. The depth from the very front cushion all the way back is 33 inches. And the armrests in the back are 27 at the top and about 36 in the top of this right here. The cushion area from the inside here to the inside over here is right at 53 inches on the inside. You have approximately 24 inches going this way. It does come with these two cushions for the back. Have these little indentions here. Again, very soft foam material. Here, when they come, they are in air compressed packaging. So all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all in this airtight compression packing for space saving, and they come out and they are fully to size within seconds. The cushions on these are absorbent enough, but they definitely have a little give to them. There's a spring to them, but definitely comfortable. Definitely not a couch or love seat that you would sink into, because it's like ultra soft. It definitely is firm enough to where you sit upright. These, as you can see, are all zipper enclosed. So if any of these needed to be washed, you could unzip them. All 2, 4, 6, 8 of these can be unzipped. The foam structure on the inside can be pulled out in one big piece, and then the outside here could be washed. Whole assembly comes in 2 massive boxes. The assembly, though, is extremely easy. The back piece here slides in, so there's a groove here that goes up and down, and it literally has a channel and it slides right in. There's a bolt in the bottom corner here, a bolt in the bottom corner here. All the tools are supplied, and then the whole bed assembly, which comes out, also goes in very easily. This was all put together by one person. It could be done with 2 people, probably a little bit faster. This whole thing was assembled in less than 30 minutes. Pulling out the bed and putting back the bed can be done very easily with one person. Doesn't take a lot of strength. The springs and construction of this make it actually really easy to kind of pull apart. This is all, looks to be some sort of powder coated steel. The measurement of the actual bed is 6 feet long by 4 feet wide. It sits right to the top, about 18 inches off the ground. Total length with the beds pulled out is right at about 88 inches or so, a little over 7 feet, right to here, all the way to the very back of the headrest. It does also have this brace here in the front, which is convenient because if you're sitting on the edge of the bed here, you have extra support. So you have support there, both places in the middle, and then obviously in the back. These cushions fit in here nice and neat. There's a little ledge that flips down. So when this is in couch mode, or if it's in bed mode, you can fold the little ledge down that's back in there and tuck in these pads right here. So it's almost like a headrest. It's like built into it, which is pretty cool. Mattress here is about 2.5 inches thick. Showing the bottom of this, you can see the support comes from these wood beams that are spanning the whole entire length of the bed. So it gives maximum support And these are all springs. So these springs are covered right here all along. So all of these give some more cushion to it. So it's not like you only have 2.5 inches of the mattress. You have that, plus you have the spring here from all of these springs that are roughly about 4 inches apart all the way across the bed. So it actually has a good little spring to it, and it's definitely comfortable. The feet on this are sort of a square shape, dark, either they're super dark brown, but they kind of look, I think they're black. And these are made out of a very thick and heavy duty hard plastic. Comfortable, easy to put together, has some cool LED accents, and serves also a dual purpose as a 4x6 twin bed. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.